models are large-scale models that are trained with a lot of data. And these models can adapt to new types of applications on modalities like language, vision, coding. And the reason I like to call these models platform models is that they work like platforms for AI development. They can adapt to tasks really easily. Platform models are changing the way we build AI systems fundamentally. With platform models, developing a new AI system can go from days to hours. And that's a big change in the way we build AI systems. These models have new capabilities like generating language, and we are at the early days of understanding what kind of applications we can build with these platform models and how these applications will be able to change the world for many critical tasks. So we see a lot of opportunities with respect to putting platform models into the world, but a lot of these opportunities come with a lot of responsibility too. We have a responsibility to understand in which ways these applications will be impacting our society. How can we make sure that these applications are working in reliable ways? And at the same time, with the generative capabilities these models have, we also see risks around offensive language, hate speech, these models outputting biases into the world. This is why we have a big opportunity to empower developers of these systems to be able to understand where the risks are and mitigate them as much as possible. Our goal is empowering every person and every organization to achieve more. This is also true with the AI systems that we are developing. We need to ensure that trust is at the center of the way we develop AI. We want to make sure that the systems we are developing are working in the ways that are intended. We can understand what these systems are doing. We are able to control the outputs of these systems. So for us, trust is not an abstract concept. It is in the practice of the way AI systems are designed, developed, and deployed in the world. At the center of this, we have to give developers the right tools for them to be able to take control of the systems they are developing. So this is our fundamental goal. And this is not only a goal for responsible AI, this is actually how we build good, reliable AI systems in the world. The key for developing reliable AI applications on top of platform models is having the right tools to empower the developers to be able to understand the risks in the systems they are developing, to be able to measure them, and to be able to mitigate them. The path forward for building these tools is HumanAI partnership. The new platform models are very good at some things. They are able to adapt to new tasks really quickly. They are able to process information really quickly. And their generative capabilities are giving us a lot of data about understanding what the capabilities are of an application at any given time. But these really beautiful properties of these platform models are not taking away the need for human supervision. It is not realistic to expect that people are going to be able to tell their intent to these platform models and build reliable applications by just prompting these models or giving them a few examples. We still rely on humans for being able to capture what is really being intended, how to do a task properly. This is why it's so important to also complement the capabilities of these platform models with human supervision. This is exactly what we are working on at Microsoft Research. We are building tools, especially for the language space, to be able to empower the developers to be able to take control of AI development. These tools are using what humans and machines are good at. They are using the capabilities of platform models in terms of generating data, building test data in scale, but they're also putting people at the very center, inventing new interaction techniques between machines and humans so that humans are able to supervise what machines are doing and mitigate the negative influences as much as possible.